Molecular mass. Now, after understanding what is exactly atomic masses or relative atomic masses or average atomic masses, we need to understand what exactly is a molecular mass. See, molecular mass, it is the mass of one molecule of a substance is called molecular mass. It is equal to the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms present in one molecule. That is called molecular mass. Let's take an example from methane. Methane has 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, mass of 1 carbon is 12, mass of 1 hydrogen is 4, so we will make it 4 into 1, that will make it 16. Unit will be U, unified mass. So the 16 is the molecular mass of methane. Similarly, let us take example of water molecule. It has 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen atom. Let me write, otherwise it will appear to be 10. 1 oxygen atom. The mass of 1 hydrogen atom is 1, so 2 into 1, and mass of 1 oxygen is 16, so it makes it 18U. Similarly, sulfuric acid. It has 2 hydrogens, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygens. So twice of 1 sulfur is 32, 4 into 16, that will make it 98. Remember, the units are always the same as we have been using for the atomic masses, because practically molecular mass is nothing but the sum of the masses of the atoms which a molecule of the substance is having. So it's 98U. Now, if we have to use which type of atomic masses while calculating the molecular masses, it must be the average atomic masses. That is why in case of NaCl, sodium chloride, it is equal to the sum of the sodium and chloride. So it will be 23 plus 35.5. So it will be your 58.5U. So this is how we only uses the average atomic masses and the sum of the average atomic masses of the atoms present in one molecule of a substance is called its molecular mass. This is how we determine this.